Hi guys, I'm always buying stuff for my house. Want to share with you guys all the stuff that I buy, give you my honest opinions. I try to do a lot of research before I buy things so I kind of get like, you know, kind of the better quality stuff. That way you buy it once. My wife isn't always a fan of that because they do sometimes cost a little bit more money, but I think the extra money is usually worth it because they last a lot longer than other products after, you know, I do my own research on things. I saw nothing but good reviews on this, and it was a good price. I got this actually on the Amazon deal days. That was like a while ago. Just finally getting around to reviewing this. So both my wife and daughter, they're Filipino, so they love rice. Always cooking a lot of good food. So it comes with a booklet that basically says prepare your kitchen and your appetite. So I'm assuming it's both the instructions as well as some recipes in there. I'll check that out in a second. This is really well packaged and wrapped. And then, oh my goodness. So it is really well packaged. And you have that. And then the plug on this side, and then in the inside, let's check it out because I know there's more in here. Leaving some of that tape behind. Worry about that later. So the steam comes out here, and I like this better than the rice cookers that I'm used to buying. So you push a button and it opens. So I'm used to rice cookers that in the inside just have like a little black steam ball thing that always eventually over time just falls off into the rice cooker, and it gets really annoying and frustrating. This has like a clip that allows you to unhook and pull this out so you can clean the whole thing, to include opening this up on the top right here. And that's where all the other steam gets and junk gets captured, like, you know, the excess steam and water and that. So you can dump all the water that's in here out very easily. And it doesn't sit like on the back side or anything out of the way. It's nice and compact. So it comes with a few things. Let me show you these right here. So it does come with a rice scooper, which is nice, and an actual, you know, rice scooper. I don't know which one you want to call it. This is a measuring cup and the scooper. I call it a scooper because you scoop the rice with this. That's what you use to measure your rice. And then this is a beefy handle. Like, that's a weighted handle. It's not light. It's a nice weight behind it. So I like the way it grips already. So then inside you have it's for steam, right? And then you have the actual rice bowl right here. And what's cool about it is it has different lines. It actually says for rolled oatmeal and porridge on this side. And then it has short, medium, and white sushi for like white rice. And then it has long grain rice on this side. So depending on how much rice you put in, it depends on what level you actually fill it with, and it makes it really easy to fill it. Now, the Filipino trick that I always learned is basically you put your finger in, however deep the rice is, you basically pull that, like you put your thumb to wherever the depth, so if you can see the size, you put this in, and however depth the rice is, and then you have your thumb at the top, and then you put that above the rice, and you fill the water to your thumb. So basically you have an even water to rice ratio, and yeah, it's worked every time for perfect rice for our family. However, you can also you know, use the cheating method if you want, and you know, use it that way. I'll probably stick to the cheating method, but that's just me. So you can stick this in there, or you can also have the steam basket, so you have that extra space below it. So you can use either one. And that is everything. Time for me to go make some rice for my wife, and hopefully she'll, I don't know what she'll make. We'll see, but it's gonna be great because my wife's an amazing cook. And so I used a measuring cup. Did my finger method instead, but I'm almost to the just slightly above the 2-cup line because I put roughly 2 cups in. So it's gonna be the short, medium white rice. So in order to change the texture of what you want the rice to be, you have to hit the texture and it'll select it. Even though this is touchscreen, it doesn't seem like the whole thing is touchscreen. So yeah, and I'm gonna go ahead and start the rice. I mean, you can put a time delay, but it's gonna start the cooking, and we'll see how this rice turns out. Cross our fingers. All right, so it's been finished for a little while. Oh yeah, look at that rice. That looks good. So the nice chicken tocino, some nice rice, and a nice new rice cooker. That the design is really cool looking. It looks better with the rest of our kitchen. It's more like upscale, newer, like modern looking. Plus it's more than just a rice cooker, it's a steamer. You can make all sorts of other stuff with it. So check out a link in the video description, and where I bought it from should be on sale for Black Friday. And then that's what I did last year. It's been a year, just now getting around to posting this. So yeah. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and comment below if you own this or are thinking about buying it. And check out whatever videos YouTube recommends to you. And take care. Happy holidays.